Hi everybody! Welcome to the Beautiful English Learning System, the best English grammar tutorial and a unique, beautiful and a very effective English speaking training system. I hope you have already learned the reading and writing course and the elementary English course. If not, I would recommend you to learn them before you proceed to the basic English course. The main problems English learners are facing nowadays are the lack of grammar knowledge and the lack of speaking practice. The Beautiful English Learning System solves both of them because it makes learning grammar easily and gives enough speaking practice. The Beautiful English Basic English course is your next step on your way to mastering English. This step is very important. If you miss it, you will not be able to go up to higher levels. Usually, the basic principles of English language aren't taught by English teachers. That is why learners have enormous gaps in grammar knowledge that slow down their learning process immensely. The Beautiful English Basic English course will give you all the necessary knowledge and all the learning tools so that you will be able to understand basic principles of English grammar and start speaking. No special requirements to start learning English with the Basic English course are needed. If you can read and write English, you can start learning. The Beautiful English Basic English course consists of 6 lessons: possessive pronouns, possessives, demonstrative pronouns, WH questions, grammar construction there is, there are, adjectives. Each lesson consists of several sections. The grammar section will help you to understand the lesson grammar. Grammar Lingua card will help you to get used to new English sentences and practice speaking. Color schemes will help you to practice making correct sentences. At first, you will listen and repeat. Then you will make sentences replacing colors with words. Talking Lingua card will help you to get automatic speaking skills. You will practice making and pronouncing all types of sentences for different situations and for different personal pronouns. Practicing with the Talking Lingua card improves memory and enhances brain learning abilities. While practicing with the Talking Lingua card, you will see an arrow going from a personal pronoun and pointing to a situation. Then you will see and hear a sentence. You look, listen, and repeat after a teacher. In the next exercise, you will see arrows and make and pronounce sentences by yourself. Then you will pause the video, look, think, and again make and pronounce sentences. Exercises with the Talking Lingua card is the best speaking practice. They can be difficult a bit, but they bring really very good results. If you really want to start speaking fluently and correctly, you should do speaking exercises with the Talking Lingua card. The last section of the lesson is the writing practice. It will help you to review a lesson and get very good reading and writing skills. The Beautiful English Learning System is not just another learning program. It is a unique, beautiful, and a very effective English speaking training system that will really help you to start speaking fluently and correctly. After completing the course, you will broaden your vocabulary, understand the basic principles of English grammar, be able to make correct English sentences, be able to understand spoken English, be able to speak about yourself and your daily life. So what are you waiting for? Take your basic English course and start speaking English right now. Yes, with Beautiful English you can do it.